In the last few weeks, the fighting in Syria had increased in step, right? I think you've seen that in the news. And it has spilled into the UN operational area, in particular the town of Al-Quneitra. And you will see in the map that Al-Quneitra also is the home of one of our company headquarters. Al-Quneitra is also has a very strong presence of the armed elements opposed to the Syrian government. Al-Quneitra is in the area of operation for the Fiji contingent and is a location of one of our company headquarters in the position that's called position 27. It is home to 43 of our soldiers. At approximately 7:30 yesterday on Syrian time, 3 vehicle loads of armed elements of close to 150 personnel converged at position 27 main gate, demanding the vacating of the position in 10 minutes. Since there was restriction of movement within the area of operation or separation, Force Commander had advised accordingly that the Force Commander was advised and he directed that an urgent sitting of a crisis management meeting. During that meeting, negotiations was conducted with the rebel leader, and a direction was given to the officer in charge of position 27 to evacuate our troops through Alpha Gate to the Israeli side of the border. The troops were, however, not allowed by the armed elements to use UN vehicles to be shuttled to Alpha Gate, but were shuttled by using the armed element vehicles instead. On arrival at Bravo Gate, which is a gate before the Alpha Gate, a meeting between the armed elements escorting leader with IDF personnel on the Alpha side were conducted, and the IDF were notified of the crossing of the troops. But then the troops were driven to another location unknown to us by these states, by the armed elements. That was the last moment that we were able to converse with our troops. The whole day saw the sitting of the crisis management meeting, and also the remaining groups of position 27 were assumed to be driven away from that position by armed elements into 2 UN vehicles. The day also saw the harassment of all fieldback or Filipino-held positions, which saw the vacating of position 85 and position 80, and the manning of 2 main gates by armed elements in position 68 and 69, who at the moment are still under siege. Under Force Commander directed both position commanders of the 2 fieldback positions to show the white flag and not to be confrontational, as he fears that the armed elements involved were of the extremist group Ansar al-Ansura. The Force Commander's stance is one of peaceful negotiations without confrontation. Reliable information last night received from local moderate armed elements liaison officers is that our men are safe and well and are currently being detained at position 27.